Hello, everyone. Mary Lou Rodriguez with Life Guidance Hypnosis. I want to say thank you for visiting my site, and thank you for your interest in learning how to be an incredibly successful hypnotherapist. I created this program because I want you to thrive. I want you to help me change this world because I can't do it alone, and nor do I want to. There are people that you are supposed to work with. There are people that need your perspective, your stories, and your experiences. In this program, I'm going to teach you everything that I wish I would have known when I opened my practice. I spent thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours trying to figure it all out. Now I know why. Because I am here to teach you, to teach others so that they don't have to struggle in the way that I did. You can have a successful practice right from the get-go. This program is for you if you want to learn how to build a six-figure hypnotherapy business. This program is for you if you want to learn my personalized subconscious reprogramming method. Get results with any client, with any issue. Grow your business doing group hypnosis sessions, something that I learned to do on my own. In fact, it's the fastest way that I've grown my business. 4 nights ago, I did a group hypnosis workshop, and a record-breaking 19 people signed up for consultations. If I can do it, so can you. And I want to teach you how. Each week, not only are you going to be learning new information to have a thriving practice, but we are going to do a group hypnosis session. Because 1, I want to show you how easy it is, and 2, I want to make sure that you are embodying the concepts, the tools, and the new beliefs that serve you. I want to teach you how to have confidence in sales conversations, how to convert prospects into paying clients, how to price your packages, how to price the group hypnosis sessions that you'll be doing, how to price your digital products, how to use public speaking to gain visibility, and how to create epic sessions, whether it's virtual or in person. My clients will tell you over and over how amazing my sessions are, and I want to teach you how to do that too. I want you to take a moment to imagine yourself as that badass hypnotist, and I want you to see or to imagine your calendar being full of one-to-one sessions, full of group hypnosis sessions, workshops, programs, public speaking opportunities, doing what you love while making so much money. Because yes, you can make a lot of money doing what you love, and I want to teach you how. This program is going to be my signature program that I am going to offer every quarter. This is the only time that this program is going to be priced at $1,500. The next quarter, it's going to be double that. So take advantage now. You are not alone on this journey. If you've had enough and you're ready to get out of your own way, I'm ready to support you and guide you. Join me as we change this world together.